How to create WhatsApp business account. So if you want to create a WhatsApp business account, then first you just need to install the WhatsApp business application. So if you don't have the application, you just need to simply go for install and install it from your app store or your Play Store. So simply go for your app store or your Play Store, install, and I have already installed the application. Tap and open up your WhatsApp business, and here you need to go for agree and continue, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on allow. And here what you need to do is you need to enter your phone number. So you can enter the existing phone number. So if you already have an account on WhatsApp with the phone number, and if you want to change that number to your WhatsApp business account, then you can simply enter your existing phone number, or you can also enter your new number. It's the same thing. So for example, I'll be entering my number and then tap on next and tap on yes, or you can also go for a different number. So you will have use a different number on your bottom of your screen, and you can also use a different number. So for example, I'll be using this number, and then if this number is correct, then simply go for yes. Once you tap on yes, it will ask you to enter the verification code. So just wait for a few seconds and it will automatically verify. So simply tap on continue, and then if you want to allow access to contact and media, then simply tap on continue again, and then tap on allow, and then again allow, and here you will have the name option, right? So you will have the profile picture which you already have on your existing account, and then your name. So simply enter your name, and then you can choose the category. So go for the pencil shaped icon which is on the right side of your screen, and you can choose category in which you would like to add as a business. So for example, I'll be choosing shopping and retail, and once you enter, you can also go for show more options, and then you can add a description of that business, and you can also add the business address. So for now, I'll be just entering the category. Once you've done that, you need to simply tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on next, it will initialize the process, and once it's initialized, now you need to simply go for continue, which will again pop out on the bottom of your screen, and you will be logged into your WhatsApp business, or you will create your business account. So that's how you can create a WhatsApp business account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.